So, hello Sandeep. Good
Yeah,
morning.
morning, sir. How are you, sir?
Yes, I'm doing great. Absolutely fantastic. What about you?
Yeah, I am also pretty well. So I am also doing very well. Thank you for asking. Or first of all, I would like thank you for connecting to me. I'm really happy.
Yes, it's okay. So, Sandeep, we are meeting at the first time. So, I would love to know about you. First thing first, introduce yourself.
Yeah, obviously. Yeah, my name is Sandeep Kumar. I hail from Haryana, but I was raised in Delhi, and I have been doing job in Delhi. So I have good experience in aviation sector. I I work at airport, so I have good experience. But due to lack of communications, I don't get what I want. Actually, I want. So that's why I want to polish my communication. So yeah, so that's why I joined this platform. For I requested to you about that. For I try to practice my communication skills.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
wonderful. That's wonderful because you are working at airport, so you must know about this language, English language.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So, like you are working at Haryana Airport
No, no. I'm working at IG Airport in Delhi.
in Delhi. Okay, in Delhi. So that's great. That's fantastic. So uh, today you want me to make you rapid fire. You like requested me like that.
Right, right, right. I want to test myself where I stay standing now. So that's why I request you to make a rapid fire.
Okay, that's great. That's great. So before it, I would like to ask, like, how long have you been learning language? This language, English language.
Uh, I have been learning this language last 1 year, sir. So before
Last
that I
one.
couldn't. Yeah. So before that I couldn't speak this language. So for that time I was thinking about that in inner mind, and then I speak this word or sentence. But nowadays I'm a little bit comfortable, and I can speak little bit. I can understand. So I hope I would catch more in and catch this language in upcoming year. So yeah, so I'm
Yeah,
doing practice.
that's wonderful, Sandeep. See, never get scared of anyone, and yes, never be shy in front of anyone. This is a language amazing. Like you are improving day by day. Just don't give up. Just keep going. Keep going. Of course, you are improving day by day. People just get scared, or maybe they feel bored that, oh my god, I can't do. But of course you can do, because it's about speaking. It's about speaking. If you are speaking
Yeah,
every day, definitely your tongue is going to work, your mind is going to work. And we have lots
yeah.
of way to learn this language nowadays, like on mobile. Whenever we get time, so we can
Mm,
utilize our time. We don't need to take out so much time, like for this language. And it's not about like quitting your job and like postpone your any work. No, it's not like that. Whenever you get time, you can go for it. And it's a fun, like
yes.
learning English is like a fun. You get lots of people to talk, and you get to know their culture, and their like so many things how they are doing, and get lots of motivation.
Yes,
So
sir. So,
it's a
sir, before, yeah, sir, before dying in the conversation, so I would like to know about a little bit also you. So, can you say something about it?
Okay, thank you so much, Sandeep. Yeah, if I talk about myself, my name is Gyanendra, and here I'm living in UP. And yes, if I talk about my qualification, so I have done my graduation. Apart from this, I'm just a farmer, and along with this, I have this YouTube channel which I have been running for maybe 3 years. And of course, I have some student. I just guide them, motivate them, and increase their confidence so that they can go ahead and learn English. So my motive is to make them like to show them good path and make them motivated, strong. So that is how like I do. So this is my introduction from myself.
Yeah, it's quite well, sir. So
Yeah.
nowadays you are just doing farming, or you just teach about the this language, right?
Yes, right. I have like right now maybe 10 students. I just teach them, guide them.
So
Yes.
when did you start this journey, sir? Like recently, or you have a long experience about this journey?
You want to know about my English journey?
Yeah, yeah. I
Okay,
want to know
if
that.
I talk about this, so I think I embarked my learning English, I think 4 years ago, maybe more than that, you know. For, yeah.
So, so when did you start this journey? So, that time, how was your English or communications? So that time you could speak this language fluently, like that right now, or you also was facing that time challenges or any kind of things.
Yeah, I was facing challenges. We see, my English was pathetic. I couldn't speak even a single word. I was not able to speak my name as well. Like my name is Gyanendra. Like now I speak fluently. My name is Gyanendra, but I was not able to
Mm.
speak. It, as I told you, it's about speaking. You know, speaking. The more you like speak, the better you will be. You know, on this language. So that time I was not speaking. So my mind was not working. My tongue was not working for me. And I
Mm.
didn't have any idea what to speak, how to speak. And I was totally like unaware of this language. But yes, I had a hope to learn this language. I made up my mind not to quit this. And I thought, okay, no matter whether I'm going to become fluent speaker or not, but I will learn this language and I will keep going. You know, I will not say,
Yeah,
okay, I'm not improving because see, we can't see changes in 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, you know. So
yeah.
yeah, keep patient and go ahead. Sooner or later, of course, you will feel or realize that yes, now I have come so far from my journey, you know, and now
Yeah.
I am better than that time, you know. So yeah, it's about practice, consistency, and your patience, and believe in yourself. Of course, anything can be done, you know, if you decide.
Mm. So, sir, what kind of method you have incorporate your daily routine for learning this language? Like when you started this journey.
Yeah, so I didn't follow people that okay, like Sandeep is speaking fluently and he is using lots of idiom phrases, advanced vocab. So I would also start doing so. I didn't care about anything. I didn't care about any person that how he is going to speak and how they are speaking. I just like applied simple method that okay, now I know some structure, so I'm going to speak with them. So I started speaking my daily routine and my story, my plan, future plan, and
Oh,
I started practicing by myself small sentences, you know, and that is how I realized that now I'm able to speak something. I didn't care about advanced vocab, you know. And then
mm,
I started listening to people how they are speaking, and then I realized that okay, that is how we can ask question, that is how we can describe ourselves, and we can tell anything. So, like by listening, I learned so much. But yes, truth be told, I never ever wrote even a single word. I never ever read any book of English.
oh,
Still, I don't have, you know. Still, I don't have. And
oh,
when it comes to like recalling any words and keeping any structure in my mind, so I told my mind that see, since I am not fond of writing and reading, so you have to keep it in your mind. So I'm very much good at this. I can scan any word and any phrase, any like structure from anywhere, maybe on YouTube, on any other social media. So
mm,
I just keep it in my mind because I know I'm not writing down. So how can I get again it? So this is how I just learn English. And also I'm going to tell you that I never run after like to learn like advanced vocab and this and that, because until we are perfect on
perfect.
this basic thing, if you are going to learn some advanced vocab, so it means uh, you are making your journey so much so tough, you know. So it's about language. Yeah. So just make yourself comfortable with this journey. So
Right.
so that you cannot feel bored, you know. Just
Yeah,
go smoothly. Smoothly. Listen to people speak, describe this and that. Of course you will be able to speak.
yeah, definitely. Yes,
Yes.
sir. So shall we start, sir? Rapid fire.
Yeah, yeah, okay, okay. Now I'm going to take your test so that you can get your level. I'm going to tell you. So I'm going to speak some sentences in Hindi,
Right.
translate in English. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. मेरे डैड मुझे रोज 10 रुपये देते हैं.
My dad uh, gives me 10 rupees daily.
क्या आपके डैड मार्केट जाते हैं?
Does your father go to market?
मेरे डैड मार्केट नहीं जाते हैं.
My dad doesn't go to market.
Doesn't go to market. Okay. क्या आपके भाई के पास कार है?
Does your brother have a car?
मेरे भाई को रोज खाना पकाना पड़ता है.
My brother has to make food daily.
फूड डेली. ओके. मैं यहाँ 2 दिनों से हूँ.
I have been here for 2 days.
मेरे पास ये मोबाइल 2 साल से है.
I have had this mobile for 2 years.
मुझे रोज 10 रुपये दिए जाते हैं.
I have been given 2 rupees, 10 rupees daily.
इट्स अ पैसिव संदीप. पैसिव प्रेजेंट सिंपल पैसिव.
Okay.
इज एम आर प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म.
Yes, sir. I am given 10 rupees daily.
राइट. ओके. मेरा रूम साफ कर दिया गया है.
My room has been cleaned.
ओके. कल मैं अपने दोस्त से मिला था.
I met my friend yesterday.
कल आपका दोस्त क्या कर रहा था?
What were your friend? What was your friend doing yesterday?
ओके. क्या कल आपको डांटा गया था?
Have you been scolded yesterday, or were you being scolded yesterday?
Were you being scolded means action going on, like डांटा जा रहा था. No. क्या आपको कल डांटा गया था?
Were you scolded yesterday?
Yes. Were you scolded yesterday? Correct. Okay. मैं 2 दिनों से बीमार था.
I had fever 2 days.
It is called possession. I had a fever. It is like possession. मैं बीमार था. मैं 2 दिनों से बीमार था.
I had fever 2 days.
I had been state of being है. जैसे मैं बोलता हूँ मैं बीमार हूँ. Suppose मैं बीमार हूँ तो I am ill. You know.
Yeah.
So that is like with time said I had been ill. I had been ill for 2 days.
For 2 days. Okay.
Right. Okay. कल आपको कुछ दिया जाएगा.
Tomorrow will be given something to you.
Tomorrow is not like subject.
Okay.
Tomorrow.
Okay. You will be given something tomorrow.
Yeah. You will be given something tomorrow. क्या कल आप ऑफिस जाओगे?
You will go to office tomorrow.
Will you go to office tomorrow? Correct.
Okay.
कल मेरे पास टाइम नहीं होगा.
We will not have time tomorrow.
Okay,
I will not have time tomorrow.
Right. Okay. शायद मेरा दोस्त घर पर होगा.
My friend might be at home.
Right. शायद वो आ रहा होगा.
He might be coming.
शायद आज ये पेड़ काटा जाएगा.
Sorry, pardon.
शायद आज ये पेड़ काटा जाएगा.
Might be this tree cut today.
This tree ना पहले.
Yes.
This tree might be cut.
Okay. This tree might.
This tree might be cut. Sandeep. Your turn on your video.
Yeah, 1 second, sir. I don't know what would happen. Yeah.
Okay. ठीक है. Okay. आपको यहाँ रोज आना चाहिए.
You should come here daily. You should come here daily.
आपके पास पैसे होने चाहिए.
You should have money.
आपके रूम को सजाया जाना चाहिए.
your room should be decorated.
कल आपको मुझे बताना चाहिए था.
You should have informed me yesterday.
राइट. शायद कल उसके पास कार नहीं होगी.
He might have been. He might have.
Had.
Okay. He might had a car.
He
Have
might have.
had a car.
Right, right. He might have had a car.
Yeah.
Correct. ओके. मैं अपनी वाइफ से रोज सुबह चाय बनवाता हूँ.
Uh, I I make my wife. I make tea. I make my wife. Sorry, I don't know.
Make, yeah, correct, correct, correct. I make my wife, I make
Okay.
my
I make
wife
my wife to
make
make
tea. Without two. I
okay
make my wife make tea.
make tea.
ओके. मेरा भाई मुझसे रोज अपना होमवर्क करवाता है.
My brother makes me work daily.
राइट, राइट, राइट. ओके. कल मैं अपने दोस्त से आम तोड़वा रहा था.
Yes, I made my friend. Uh,
तोड़वा रहा था. एक्शन गोइंग ऑन. आई वॉज मेकिंग.
I was making my friend
प्लग.
pluck
प्लग मैंगोज.
mangoes.
ओके, ग्रेट. इस पेड़ को कटवाओ.
This tree will. This tree is
गेट,
cut.
गेट, 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 गेट से
Okay,
स्टार्ट.
yes.
ऑर्डर, ऑर्डर, ऑर्डर.
This tree gets
गेट दिस ट्री. गेट दिस ट्री. गेट दिस ट्री कट.
get this tree cut. We
अपना
start
रूम साफ
from
करो.
sir. We can start from get.
या बिकॉज इट इज ऑर्डर. ऑर्डर में जब हम लोग बोलते हैं तो वर्ब से स्टार्ट करते हैं. जैसे हम बोले कि दरवाजा खोलो तो ओपन द डोर.
Right.
तो गेट हमारा वर्ब ही तो है. गेट दिस ट्री कट.
Okay. Get.
ओके. इस बच्चे से झाड़ू लगवाओ.
Get.
नहीं, देखो, जब भी पॉजिटिव में ना, जब कोई पर्सन आ जाए करने वाला तो मेक ही लगाओ.
Okay.
पर्सन कोई करने वाला ना हो तो गेट लगाओ. जैसे कि उसमें मैंने बोला था, क्या बोला था, ये पेड़ कटवाओ, तो कोई पर्सन दिखा था उसमें कोई?
No.
मैंने बोला नहीं बोला, तो गेट का यूज किया. अब मैं बोला हूँ इस बच्चे से झाड़ू लगवाओ, तो अब बच्चा आ गया ना, मेक ही आ गया. मेक दिस चाइल्ड
Make this child clean the room.
स्वीप द फ्लोर. क्लीन द रूम. करेक्ट कर सकते हो. करेक्ट.
Clean the.
स्वीप द फ्लोर. ओके, ग्रेट. कल मैं अपने बाल कटवा रहा था.
Yeah. I was getting. I was getting my hair cut.
ओके. आई वॉज गेटिंग माई हेयर कट. करेक्ट. ओके. अगर मेरे पास लैपटॉप होता तो मैं लैपटॉप में क्लास लेता.
If I were a laptop, so I would take. Okay, if I had a laptop, I would take a class on laptop.
राइट. अगर अगर कल आप मुझे कॉल करोगे तो मैं तुम्हारी क्लास लूंगा.
If you call me tomorrow, I would take class.
Here you can say will. I will.
Okay,
I will take you. It is conditional first. It is conditional first. जैसे कि
So we don't need to like a would for enough.
would. Yes, would is for
conditional.
second conditional that I spoke before it. Okay. अगर कल आपने मुझे कॉल किया होता तो मैं तुम्हारी क्लास लेता.
If you had called me yesterday, so I would have taken your class.
Yeah, lovely. Great, great, great. Okay. इंग्लिश सीखना आसान है.
Learn to English, it's easy.
Either speak to learn English or maybe learning English. Learning English is easy.
Okay, learning English is easy. We are
Like
using the like a
gerund,
verb as a gerund.
gerund,
Okay.
gerund. Yes. It becomes noun. You know,
Hmm.
any verb becomes noun. Any verb becomes noun when we use ing first. You know, as a
Yeah.
subject. Okay. uh, 1 लाख रुपये कमाना बहुत ही मुश्किल है.
Pardon, sir.
1 लाख रुपये कमाना बहुत मुश्किल है.
Earning 1 lakh rupees